Hello, welcome to Multinet Design. In this tutorial, we want to create a glass cup. So let's create the family template. Click on English, look at entourage, click open. Now allow it to load. Yes, the moment you load, they have the reference line already. So we want to use revolve to create something simple. So what you need to do, go to elevation, any part of elevation you see. Good. Now the next step to start with is to know the height of which maybe the table or anything you want to do, so that you don't just create something below the level. So what you do, click on the modify line, annotate, check the line, or draw. Okay, let's say you start with the revolve, click on revolve, check the line of what you want to do, like this. Say okay, the height of like 800, that's maybe the height of the table that usually we. So you start your drawing at this point. This is not the drawing first, you just start, then delete this particular one. Now you need to create the axis. So you draw the axis, that is where the cup will be forefront. Now click on this. So the next thing is to draw the boundary around what you want to do. So click on the boundary. What is the height of the cup? Like you say, something like or like 150. Yes, 150 or 160. So just draw this box out. It is not yet the what you are doing, but that's the reference, the guide points. So what we want to do now is to now shape those things out. Click here. Okay, click like this. Good. Make it go this manner. So you need to do beautiful. Now what you do is to offset this particular, so let it be 5 or let it be 3. Copy it. So you click and say good. So you delete this one. So you click finished. What do you see? So that is how to create a normal wine cup. So put the materials there. Edit material. Here duplicate it or rename it. Say glass wine or wine glass. Good. So appearance, click on the appearance, go to glass, smooth texture, can use clear, use this particular one. Let's use this particular one. Click OK. custom, apply bulb, things like that. I just want to make it a little bit blue. Okay, so customize the roughness and every other thing. Say click OK. So if you click on your reality now, you see, so that is how you create glass cup here. So after you've done that, you can now load it to a project and a stand. So that is how you create a normal wine cup for you drawing. So kindly like and share this project, most especially click on subscription so that